Shandong Great Machinery Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of larger-scale hollow blow molding equipment. We are the developer of the world's first large multi-layer double-station blow molding machine, located in Weifang, Shandong Province. The company owns a modern production facility and an advanced R&D center. We manufacture 1 to 12-layer blow molding machines with capacities ranging from 20 liter to 35,000 liter. Our machines are widely used for producing vertical and horizontal plastic tanks, IP tanks, chemical barrels, pallets, road barriers, kayaks, portable toilets, automotive fuel tanks, and more. We also provide custom machine solutions tailored to customers' specific needs, meeting the production demands of diverse industries. We have introduced advanced manufacturing and testing systems from both domestic and international sources and strictly control every production step to ensure each machine meets international quality standards. Our R&D team, composed of experienced engineers and technical experts, continuously promotes innovation in blow molding technology, improving equipment performance and automation levels. Meanwhile, Great Machinery has established a comprehensive service system covering project design, equipment commissioning, operator training, and after-sales maintenance. We provide one-on-one technical support and remote online service, ensuring customers enjoy an efficient and stable production experience. With leading technology and reliable quality, our machines have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions across Asia, the Middle East, the Americas, and Africa, earning the long-term trust and cooperation of customers worldwide. Great Machinery innovation drives the future. Quality builds trust.